Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Obviously, you're interested in a new building. Well, we'd like you to know about us because we're pretty good at that. In fact, Heritage Building Systems is one of the largest companies of its kind in the United States. Your response might be, well, if you're so good, how come we've never heard of you? Maybe a couple of reasons, like perhaps you've never been interested in putting up a new building before, or maybe it's because we've never really been big on blowing our own horn. Okay, so we'll blow a little. If you need a building any size, from a 30 by 40 foot storage building to a factory 600 feet wide and as long as you want, we can handle that. Do it all the time. So if you're planning an office building, a shopping center, a church, a gymnasium, farm buildings, mini warehouse, whatever, give us a call and we'll help you decide on the right commercial metal building system for your job. And despite what anybody else tells you, you'll get the very best quality at the lowest price in the industry. Now, we realize that's a pretty strong claim, but we'll stand by it. You see, at Heritage, we've been selling first-rate building materials for over 17 years, and never have we resorted to selling factory seconds or rejects. Our buildings are manufactured in modern state-of-the-art facilities which ensure that your building is the finest metal building on the market today. We're very proud of the folks who make up Heritage Building Systems. Basically, we're a privately owned family business which is registered to do business in every state. In fact, your building plans will be stamped by an engineer from your state. A moment ago, we mentioned mini warehouses. Well, at Heritage, we feel we have the best mini warehouse on the market. Whether you want to purchase a simple 30 by 100 with 24 units for extra annual income or several buildings to start your own storage business, Heritage can deliver. Our mini warehouses can be engineered with climate control for storage of perishable goods and important records. We offer internal hallways for maximizing total storage square footage, as well as varying eave heights for storing RVs, boats, or commercial goods. We take pride in designing, engineering, and fabricating buildings which people can build themselves. Our customer service team deals every day with people who have never put up a metal building before. From the first column to the crowning peak cap, erecting a Heritage building is uncomplicated and straightforward. The parts are numbered with corresponding engineer plans. These easy-to-read plans tell you exactly where the parts go and how they bolt together. Standard shop tools, sheet metal cutters, and a Tex screw gun are all you'll need. It's work, but it's not complicated because we've already done the welding, the cutting, and the hole punching for you. We offer step-by-step instructions to show you how to erect your own building. Customer service representatives have a copy of your building plans. So if you have a question, call the toll-free number. We'll get out our copy, you have yours, and just like that, we'll solve it over the telephone, whatever problem you have. That way, you can be sure that your building is going up the way it was designed and engineered. And whether you put up the building yourself or have a crew do the work for you, you'll soon discover that you have purchased a first-class metal building at the most competitive price in the industry. When we receive your order, we start work immediately to get your concrete anchor bolt plan out as soon as possible. A forklift or a crane is recommended for unloading your metal building package. You can get them from most rental dealers by the day. Unloading an entire building takes about 3 hours from the flatbed delivery truck. Once the columns have been erected, it's time for the main frame to go into place. And with your forklift, the I-beam rafters are positioned. Now, scaffolding is an important tool. If you don't have it, you can rent it inexpensively. Once positioned, a crescent and spud wrench, a few nuts and bolts are all you need to make a secure connection. Anchor bolts may be drilled in or cast into place. Wall girts and door frames are cut to length and are easily assembled with clips, bolts, and a screw gun. The last step in erecting your red iron is putting in your base angle, which gives you bilateral support and something to screw into when you connect the wall sheets. You may erect our buildings with or without insulation. Wall sheets are easy to install and can be done while putting up your insulation. We offer a wide variety of colored wall sheets from which to choose. Wall sheets are secured with self-drilling screws for fast erection time. Roofs and walls come with a 20-year warranty against rusting and fading. Roofs come with stainless steel cap screws. Now, most companies consider that an upgrade, but for us, it's standard. Gutters are optional, but many customers enjoy the peace of mind that controlled water runoff can bring. Your heritage building is finished out with a commercial profile building trim that looks good. Doors for your building can be purchased through Heritage, and we offer both sectional doors and roll-up canister doors, as well as roof vents and fascia systems. Whether rural or commercial, Heritage buildings fit into any landscape. Awnings may be installed over the doorways and windows to protect you from the elements, as well as adding charm and character to your building. Landscaping can also add a natural sense of beauty to your building's surroundings. Because Heritage Buildings' internal walls are non-load bearing, the internal design possibilities are endless. Carpenters and carpet layers can be contracted to modify the inside of your building to your specifications. Whether your building design calls for separate offices, large open work areas, or a little of both, Heritage can deliver. Our engineers can design a building to support any snow load or live load in your area. Heritage buildings have some of the highest wind load and earthquake ratings in the industry. Your building can be constructed to withstand earthquake seismic zone ratings of 4 and hurricane winds up to 180 miles an hour. With over 17 years in the metal building business, we at Heritage feel confident in saying that we have the finest metal building on the market today. We hope that you'll consider us in your next building plans so that you can enjoy the quality, the price, and dependable service that our many satisfied customers have come to expect. We at Heritage Building Systems want your building business, and we'll work hard to earn it. Give us a call today at 1-800-643-5555 for your next building project. Heritage Building Systems, the right choice.